Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be swapping out a shear pin on an Aaron snow thrower. They're very similar to, well, a lot of snowblowers. They use these shear pins. Shear pin broke. As you can see, we obviously shouldn't be doing that. We are going to swap this thing out. See the hole right there. Fairly basic repair on these guys. Also, there's a zerk there that you should probably throw a little grease in from time to time. So you basically find, here's part of there's your shear pin. Find the spot. Oh, there we go. You end up just, hopefully you can see the old one popped out there, and then work the new one in, which usually goes easier than this. There we go. Got it in. Grab your nut. Throw the nut. It's a locking nut, so you just need the one. Bring it on that far. 1/2-inch wrench on that side. Make sure you got your ratchet on position. Snug it down and you're good to go. My Aaron's is a Platinum 30, so it's kind of their large frame. Part number I used is a lot of numbers. You can see it there. 721-00500. Whole lot of zeros. I got that at my local Runnings Farm and Fleet. Wonderful little store here in Minnesota. Well, not really little. No association with them. They're just really nice people. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next repair. Somehow I did not notice that this model of Aaron's came with spare shear bolts right there on the machine. Hopefully you found some of this information useful or helpful, or, you know, that stuff. If you enjoyed the video, please like and follow and all that other YouTubey gibberish, and good luck. Keep your hands out of the front end of the snowblower, because it'll take it away. Talk to you later. Bye.